Section 6 of Birds, Volume 2, Number 5, November 1897. Read for LibriVox.org by Alan Mapstone. Snowbirds. Along the narrow sandy heights I watch them swiftly come and go, or round the leafless wood, like flurries of wind-driven snow, revolving in perpetual flight, a changing multitude. Nearer and nearer still they sway, and scattering in a circled sweep, rush down without a sound. And now I see them peer and peep across yon level bleak and grey, searching the frozen ground, until a little wind upheaves and makes a sudden rustling there, and then they drop their play, flash up into the sunless air, and like a flight of silver leaves swirl round and sweep away. Archibald Lampman. End of section 6. This recording is in the public domain.